a very quick analysis of the NEET UG 2025 papers. Now, this year, rather than the usual 24 sets of NEET UG examination, there were only 4 sets of paper that were released. However, the questions were considered extremely difficult, specifically in terms of analytical reasoning and in terms of application-oriented learning. So those were the two key niche areas in which there were higher number of questions. If we talk individually about the subject PCB, biology was largely from NCERT, but the questions were not based on recall or memory. They were conceptual. They were meant to assess more of understanding. Then in chemistry there were numericals. The physics level was considered as a paper for the JEE level. The questions specifically from the section of modern physics, thermodynamics, electrostatics were really difficult and were challenging. Moreover, these questions required cumbersome calculations and longer duration to solve it. So many students found the time actually short to solve the problem. In summary, what we can say, this time paper was based on more of understanding, recall, conceptual analysis, analytical reasoning, application, and the idea was to have a clear maturity of thoughts right at the entrance when you are entering the students in the field of medical science. Now, this comes true with the basic standards which we see worldwide, because many of the countries do enter students for their medical profession only once they have done their graduation. It could be a graduation in any subject, but specifically the section on chemistry, physics, maths and biology on the other hand are considered important for other countries as well. And AMCET is one of the standard exams which actually happens only once the child has done a undergraduate in one of the subjects, and then they are eligible to enter into the medical profession. Now, keeping that in mind, the idea is to have well-trained medical professionals who can do good analysis, and therefore this time the paper was really difficult. Now, this year the main focus is again on that the scrutiny and the processes have been very smooth. Nearly 22.7 lakh students gave the exam. However, the discrepancy still lies with the case of Seeker, where nearly 17% students scored 600 plus as compared to national average of only 2 to 3%. So let's see what comes next with the results. We'll keep you updated as always, as we did the last year. So stay tuned for more updates from our side, and of course those students who subscribe to our material found an added advantage, because the complete material is designed as per the JEE level, specifically for physics and chemistry. So if you are able to do the questions and the practice material at that level, you would be better well versed to solve the problems of NEET UG. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day ahead.